away! Stop biting me! Leave me alone! Look at that! I want to catch a big butterfly. The garden is so fun today. I love sunshine. Wait. What is that annoying sound? Ouch! Something bit my arm. It is so itchy. Go away! Stop biting me! Leave me alone! I must go inside right now. I hate mosquitoes!
Hi, Miko. Did you enjoy the beautiful garden?
No! The garden is stupid! Everything is annoying! I am so mad!
Miko! Do not yell at me. That is not nice at all.
I hate bugs! Everything hurts! I am so uncomfortable. Mommy, Daddy, help!
Miko, sweetie, may I come in? Oh my goodness, Miko. You have so many mosquito bites.
They hurt so much, Mommy. I really hate them.
Shh, it is okay. This special cream will make the itch go away.
Yes, it feels cold. It feels much better now, Mom.
Miko, I know the itchy bites made you very angry and cranky today. But it is not okay to yell at Dad. He did not bite you. When you are hurt or upset, do not hurt others. Just ask us for help. We love you.
But I was so mad, Mom. The bugs were biting me. I will go to the living room and apologize to Dad right now. Can I talk to you for a moment? Dad, I am so sorry. I was angry, but I was wrong to yell. Are you still angry? Please forgive me.
Of course I forgive you, Miko. It takes a very brave boy to say sorry.
I love you too, Dad. I love you, Mom. You are the best.